Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, this is Asad Yaqub once again, and it is about to rain. The weather is truly awesome. It's cloudy, and I have something wonderful to share with you guys. Well, guys, yet another breaking news, rather a good news for all IELTS candidates who are struggling and they want to get their desired band and they are looking for some hope. They're looking for some hope, some sort of, positivity that, okay, there should be something we do. And I know many of you are actually willing to work hard to study, but you need the right direction and the right material. Here I am. It is raining outside and I'm really enjoying this video. First, I was going to make this video the other side, the other direction. Then I decided to show you this because it is raining and the weather is truly awesome. So, my dear students, Asad Yaqub truly cares for you. I always look for something new, something exciting, something that is going to add some value to your IELTS preparation. And here I am once again with something amazing. Let me tell you about that. You guys often come across certain difficulties, certain problems with IELTS writing. You know, in IELTS writing, there is a criteria task achievement. Then there is a criteria grammatical range and accuracy, which is very, very important. And many of you face problems in that. You try to learn a lot of sentence structures, but at times you don't know how to use them properly. In speaking also, when in speaking part 3, examiners ask you questions in different structures and they expect the answers in those advanced structures, but you answer in simple sentences. As a result, you get 6 band. As a result, you get 5.5 band in speaking, in writing and all that. For a long time, I was trying to look for some solution, right? And now I got the solution which I'm going to share with you. There is a wonderful, authentic booklet, and this booklet deals with grammar, which is essential for IELTS writing as well as IELTS speaking. Now, you don't need to learn detailed grammar. This booklet has got the direct concepts, the direct sentence structures, which can help you with your IELTS writing. Now, if you want to get 7 band and you are getting 6 band, it means you are using the structures of band score 6. It means you are making the mistakes which are actually causing 6 band score. In order to overcome the mistakes, in order to learn the new structures, this book is going to help you out. Secondly, in IELTS speaking, whenever examiners ask you questions, they want to test your ability whether you are familiar with those structures or not. For example, if they ask you a question, how long have you been studying English? Now, examiner wants to know whether you know present perfect continuous tense or not. And many students answer, I am learning English for 6 months. I am learning English for 5 months, which is wrong. Over there, you have to answer like, I have been learning English for 6 months. So there are many things like that, and I have come up with a wonderful solution. This is the best book ever on IELTS grammar, which is going to help you with IELTS speaking and IELTS writing. Now, without cheating the examiner, if you want to get 7 band and originally you want to upgrade your English language as well, this booklet is right booklet for you, and I'm going to share this. Once again, in order to get this booklet, you just have to comment this video and you got to just tell me why you need this booklet. If your reason is genuine, if I see a serious student in you who wants to get required band score, who wants to achieve required band score, then I'm going to share this booklet. And believe me, I value this booklet this much that today morning, I got this booklet and now I have given this for printing. And once it is printed, I'm going to go through this booklet myself as well. I'm so excited about that. So if you are serious, you must comment this video, and then definitely I'm going to share this booklet, and I request you all to please print it out, and maybe you can spend 1 month on this booklet, but learn all the concepts of this booklet. Learn all the ideas, all the grammar concepts, all the structures, all the knowledge they've provided in that booklet, and believe me, there are certain exercises. With the help of those exercises, you can improve further. And once you finish this handout or this booklet, you will be entirely at a new band score of IELTS. If your present level is 6 band, you will reach band score 7. If your present level is band score 5, you will reach band score 6, and then examiners will be forced to give you your desired band score. Happy now? I mean, I just tell you, I am like a mother who is looking for food stuff all around for her children. You are my children, and the food stuff is the handouts, the booklets, the books, the notes and all that. I found this booklet an hour ago and I'm going to share that with you. See, this is what we call love and care. So you just have to comment, and after some time I'm going to share this booklet with you. Happy guys? That's good. Now you're going to value it. You're going to learn everything which is given in the booklet, and then definitely not only it is going to help you with your IELTS preparation, it will help you with your English on the whole as well. And once you go to Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the language you speak there, this booklet is going to make sure that you speak standard language and get good jobs there, good opportunities there and all that. So guys, I'm so happy, and I want you to be happy. Sharing is caring. I share things with you, and you know, actually the price of this booklet is just a comment. So this booklet is a comment away. Comment this video, and then definitely I'm going to share this booklet with you. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is raining outside and I'm truly enjoying this weather, and I'm making this video for you. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best with your IELTS preparation. I am your partner in your IELTS preparation. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.